Here's the Honda CR-V. Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Right over there at the bottom is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle on top of the Honda emblem, put one finger in there and then push it right. While it's pushed right, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so get the rod out of there, put it right over there in that slot and let it go. Good. Now let's get started with the passenger side low beam bulb. That's the bulb right there. The way to access it is right there behind it, but there's not a whole lot of space over there, so we need to get this windshield washer tube out of the way. For that we need to get this clip out, and for that you'll need a flathead screwdriver. So get the screwdriver and get the middle part of the clip out. Be careful, don't be too aggressive or you'll chip that clip. Just get it out a little bit and then grab it and just pull it out the rest of the way, and out it comes. Now you can get this tube out, so for that just twist it and turn it while you're pulling it out and it'll come right out. If you have a lot of fluid up there in the tube, it's just gonna drain out, so don't worry about it too much. It's okay. It's just windshield washer fluid. And out it comes. Keep it aside somewhere safe. That's the tube, that's where it goes in. Now let's focus on the bulb. We need to get the connector off the bulb. Press down and get it out. If you're not able to easily get it out, I'll show you another trick. Just put it back in. Get the screwdriver we used, and then from right inside there, press down on the connector and then slide it out. Grab the bulb and then twist it left to loosen it, and it comes out. The bulb size is H11, says it right there on it. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon. Get the new bulb and put it back in, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. So be patient. Once it sits in right this, twist it right to lock it. Get the connector, it only goes on one way. Slide it on and click it to secure it, and we're done here. Let's get that windshield washer tube, put it back in and then push it down. Okay, goes on, that's good. Align it with the hole there. Get the clip and put the clip in all the way and then push the middle part down to secure it, and that's good. Moving on to the high beam bulb, that's the bulb right there, and that's the connector. Same process, but very likely the connector is going to be stuck on there and may not just slide out. Even with the screwdriver trick, it may not come out. But don't worry, what we'll do is we'll get the connector and the bulb out together first. There's enough wire length that we can get it out. Just twist it left, loosen it, and out it comes. Now we can use both our hands. Push down on the electrical connector right there where I'm pushing down with my left thumb, and wiggle the bulb out with your right hand, and it comes out. The bulb size is 9005, says it right there on it, 9005. Now get the new bulb, and when you're putting the bulb back in, just put the bulb in by itself. With those three black wings on the bulb, they need to align with the three metal cutouts in the light, and when you slide it right in, those three black wings should be inside. None of those black wings should be sticking out. Get the connector, slide it on and click it. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process, no differences whatsoever. We'll do it for the high beam bulb first. Press down, get the connector out. If it comes out, get the bulb out. Same bulb, 9005 for the high beam. And when you're putting it back in, just put the bulb in first by itself. It just makes it easier to align it over there. Once it's aligned, just twist your right to lock it in place. Get the connector and slide it on to click it. Moving on now to the low beam bulb finally. That's the bulb right there. And if you're not able to get the connector off, just get the bulb and connector loose and then get it out together. And again, just like the passenger side high beam, we'll use both our hands to disconnect them and separate them both. Same bulb as the passenger side, H11 for the low beam. Get the new bulb and slide it on, and let's put it back in. And you'll see over here what I mean by struggling and twisting and turning. The passenger side we were able to get the bulb in right away, but this one, as you can see, I'm going to be struggling with this, and it may happen to you as well. So be patient with this. It's going to take a few seconds of twisting and turning before it just drops in like this, and then you twist it right to lock it. That's good. And that's about it. Let's go ahead and try out the lights. Turn this on, turn the high beams on. The bulb's working on the driver's side and the passenger side, and that is very good. And that's about it. To close the hood, first push on the hood, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.